Finding it hard to install WordPress on your website? Don't worry. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to install WordPress on your cPanel. In case you don't know, this video is brought to you courtesy from Mountains Cloud, your #1 hosting company in Nigeria. So without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorials. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blessed Channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Alright, first thing we are going to do is to log into our cPanel. So I'm going to click on log into cPanel. So once you log into our cPanel, what you're going to quickly do is to scroll down to where we have WordPress. Can see software WordPress, can see Sonoflux app installer. So what you're going to be making use of is this. So I'm going to just click on this. Then you're going to see WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress. So once we do that, it's going to bring us here. So you can see this is where we are now. So now what we are going to be doing, you can see this is a we'll select, make sure you select HTTPS, then the domain you want to make use of. You select the domain you want to make use of. Now one thing you should note, always note, most people usually they leave this still this way, but one thing you should know, once you install this, leave this WP here, is once you install, for you to be able to access your website, you have to use the link with the WP, which is not what you want. So to ensure you install your WordPress on your root folder, you have to ensure you remove this WP. Just leave the place blank so that you'll be able to access your this thing using the your normal domain you want to make use of. So now this is just such a ensure it, I tell you this. So uncle, now you can just come here and enter your site name, the site description, and everything the way you want it to be. So I'm going to just, once you do that, you will now scroll down to, so one thing you should always take note, don't ensure you don't leave space here. Do not give anything like space there. What you should just do, in case, why I actually like ensuring that I change the database link is so that I'll be able to know, in case I will be having multiple sites on this, I'll be able to know which particular database is for which one. So let me say, for example, this is your website is let's say a blog website. You can just say let me say something like my blog, and just do, but always ensure it's no more than 7. The characters what you're typing here is no more than 7. If it is up to more than 7, it's going to throw an error. So it always ensure it's not more than 7. So that's what you should always ensure you do. So now after that, what you're going to do is just come select a theme you want to make use of. Just select any theme and select theme. Okay, so I just go ahead. I'm going to no, I didn't fill this part, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill it. Once I'm done, we'll now just click on this install WordPress install. So you might decide to enter this so that you get the, but I'll just, since it's my own personal, I'll just click on install. So let me just quickly do this. So I've done it. So what I'm going to now do is just to click on install. So once I click on install, let's scroll up, you see. As I click on scroll up, you see it's actually installing my website for me. You can see my website is now installed. So now you can just click on this in case you want to view the ad. Click on it, it's going to open up and you will see your website. This is what you now have. But this is the default WordPress installation. So you can click on this link to is going to auto log into your cPanel for you, so you can see, to your dashboard for you. So you can see this is now my dashboard and everything is working perfectly well. So you can, from here you can start your website or WordPress and joining from here. So
Alright guys, I believe you must have been able to install WordPress on your website right now, and your website is up and running without any issue. So that's where I'm going to stop for this particular tutorial. You can check other videos from this channel to actually learn how to create beautiful and amazing websites using WordPress. So until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye.